In this video, you will learn how to choose and enable a payroll plan. From the top right corner of the screen, click the menu icon, the three dots, and select Plans and Billing. Before subscribing, you will need to add your payment details. Click on Add Payment Details. Select a payment method. In this demo, we will click on Card. Enter your credit card number, expiry date, CVC, and zip code, then click Save. Once your payment method is saved, you can scroll down to the payroll plan and click the Enable button to activate your subscription. Confirm your subscription in the pop-up window. Once your subscription is successful, the payroll option will appear in the left-hand side menu. You now have full access to all payroll features, including pay runs, employees, STP reporting, and more. Useful tips. A payment method is required before you can enable the payroll plan. You can change or cancel your subscription at any time. That's it. Your payroll plan is now active. In the next video, we will go through the steps to get started with My Payroll.